Converting related and unrelated denominators to equal denominators. We'll see what are related denominators. For example, if you take 1 over 2 and 1 over 8. Now, here the denominator is 2, the denominator is 8. These two are related to each other because now 8 also in the multiple of 2. So how to make them equal? What we have to do is, 8 is 2 times 4, therefore you have to multiply this one by 4 and up also you have to multiply by 4. Now here you get 4 over 8 and this becomes 1 over 8. Now if you are asked to add these two fractions, what we do is we can easily add it, that is 5 over 8. So let's take another example. So 1 over x and 1 over 3x. Now these two denominators also related because this one is 3 times x. So therefore to make these two denominators equal, you have to multiply this one by 3. So up also you have to multiply by 3. Now this becomes 3 over 3x and 1 over 3x. If you are asked to simplify these two or add these two fractions, then you can easily write 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 over 3x. So let's see what are unrelated denominators. For example, if you take 1 over 3 and say 1 over 4, now these two are not related because they are not in the same multiple. So to make them equal, what we do is we have to multiply each one by the other. So here this one we have to multiply by 4. So up also you have to multiply 4. This one you have to multiply by 3. So here also 3. Now what you get is 4 over 12 and this becomes 3 over 12. Now if you are asked to add these two fractions, so you can add these two and get 7 over 12. So if you are happy with this video, please subscribe.